Welcome to this lesson on respiration in humans. In this presentation, we will explore the structure of the human respiratory system, the mechanism of breathing, and the gas exchange process. Respiration is the biological process by which living organisms obtain energy from food. In humans, this process depends on a complex respiratory system that ensures oxygen enters the body and carbon dioxide is removed. Inhaled air has about 21% oxygen, very little carbon dioxide, and 78% nitrogen. Exhaled air has about 16% oxygen, 4% carbon dioxide, and 78% nitrogen. This shows oxygen is taken in, while carbon dioxide is breathed out. The human respiratory system is made up of several organs and structures. These include the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and the lungs. We will examine each component step by step. Air first enters the body through the nostrils. Inside the nasal cavity, tiny hairs filter out dust and particles. The air is also warmed and humidified, making it suitable for the lungs. Next, the air moves into the pharynx. This is a muscular tube that serves as a pathway for both air and food. From the pharynx, air passes into the larynx. The larynx contains the vocal cords and is responsible for sound production when we speak. Air then enters the trachea, also called the windpipe. The trachea is lined with tiny hair-like structures called cilia and sticky mucus. Together, they trap and remove dust and foreign particles. The trachea divides into two tubes called bronchi. One bronchus enters each lung. These bronchi branch into smaller tubes known as bronchioles, which spread air throughout the lungs. At the ends of the bronchioles are tiny air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by many capillaries. And this is where the exchange of gases takes place. Let's look at the mechanism of breathing. The process of breathing has two main stages, inhalation and exhalation. These are controlled by the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. Let's see the inhalation process. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward. At the same time, the intercostal muscles contract, causing the rib cage to rise. This increases the volume of the chest cavity, which reduces the pressure inside. As a result, air is drawn into the lungs. Let's look at exhalation. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward. The intercostal muscles also relax, lowering the rib cage. This decreases the volume of the chest cavity. The pressure inside increases, forcing air out of the lungs. Gas exchange in humans occurs in the alveoli. The process is driven by concentration gradients between oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses across the thin alveolar walls. It moves into the blood in the surrounding capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide diffuses from the blood into the alveoli. It is then expelled from the body during exhalation. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time and also rewatch to answer the questions. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more videos. Every video includes evaluation questions to help you test your understanding. Our content is perfect for homeschooling, Google Classrooms, or private tutoring. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new science lesson.